Hey. We're going to crash.
Right now, we're going to get back into. We're having a great time on Route 318, but let me just make a quick commercial announcement because we've got to pay for our gas the same as you. Make sure you stop by the night.